Alrighty, Camaro fans, just got done installing the steering box and the power steering pump. Everything operates just like new from the factory, and this car has won just about every year at the AACA here in Venice, Florida. It's a gold 4-speed air, all original engine components. Came out of the Atlanta area, Randy? Marietta, Georgia. Super solid. It's got the deluxe interior with the white striping on it. Adjustable wheel, 4-speed, full gauge package. Just a drop dead beautiful car. And take a look up underneath here. Fully prepared, just per factory stock. And it's of particular note that the new 350 engine debuted on the 67 Camaro only. Chevrolet decided to put their new 350 high-performance engine in these cars. They didn't debut in all the other models until 68, but what you're looking at, yep, there it is, Anderson Motor, Marietta, Georgia.
29,000 350 SS cars.
29,000 of them? Okay.
221,000 run.
Very good. And it's amazing because some people are like, the 350 never came out in 67. It wasn't until 68, and they don't know.
Only in that car.
Right. Only on the Camaro did the 350 debut. And this set, basically, Chevrolet, who had totally abandoned any racing sanctions, Vince Piggins, the product manager for Chevrolet, started gathering up these Camaros and the parts, and they went Trans Am racing with them in 67 and dominated Trans Am racing all the way up through 69, barely edging out Ford, and then Ford edged them out with the Boss 302 in 70. But the Camaros were the Trans Am dominators. So there you have it. You got a lesson today, and you got to see probably one of the nicest Camaros. 350s in the country. This thing is nice. So there you have it, Camaro fans. This is Gauze Garage coming to you from Randy's Garage here in South Venice. Thank you much.